Lightning strikes every time she moves, and everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal, and I'm back today with another video. And let me tell you, this video that I'm filming for you guys today, this is my second attempt at it. Long story, I was having some technical difficulties, but we're back at it again. And today I figured I was going to do a makeup eye look inspired by where I'm from, which is St.LUCIA, for those of you who don't know. So we're basically going to be working around 4 colors. I'm going to be using the James Charles palette, so we're going to get into that and we're going to see how that comes out. But before we even get into the video, don't forget to subscribe so that way you're up to date with all the videos I have coming out. And of course hit that notification bell, because then that will let you get an alert, and that way you will know every time my video has been uploaded, so that way you don't miss any of your girl's videos that she puts up for you guys. So yeah, so like I said, this is my second attempt. I already know practically what I have to do now. That's the only upside of doing it a second time. But I'm basically gonna do all the unnecessary steps off camera, and then we're gonna get right into the makeup look to keep everything short and to the point. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I'm starting off by just priming my lid with some of my concealer, because you know, if you know this palette, like, you know, I feel like when you put a base, it helps a lot more. So I just have that on here. Gonna grab my favorite eyeshadow brush. That's always somehow hiding from me. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Okay, there you are. All right. Alright, let's get down to the nitty gritty. So my flag is based around 4 colors. So my James Charles palette looks crazy. I don't know if you can see, but anyway. So we're basically gonna be working around. I'm just trying to just put the colors out there for you guys. So I'm gonna go in with Playground and Hello together as my base. Then I'm going to use B and Spooky, you know, on the eyelid, and then we'll have a little bit of Flashback on the bottom, or, you know, in the inner corner. Okay, so let's go in with Playground first. So that's gonna go like so. I'm blending all of this out on the eyelid. Now I'm going in with, I forgot what the shade is. It is Hello. I'm gonna mix that in with Playground, because I kind of want to go for a real, like, you know, the base color of the flag, which is like a blue, because honestly this palette doesn't have like the dark blue. So, and usually with our flag you find it in 2 different shades of blue, so I kind of prefer this lighter blue, so that's what I'm going for. Okay, we're gonna take another brush Where is the brush I was using? Was it this one? I guess this will work. And I'm gonna go in with B, and we're gonna place that right in the corner here. I think I had another brush I was using that was a lot more precise. Okay. I think this was the brush. So I'm just gonna try to position that. Just by dabbing it on, like so. Into the top here because I want this to it kind of feels like this yellow is just not cooperating with me today. Alright, now we're going to go in and tap this off. We're going to go in with Spooky, which I want on the outer end. And just want to tap it in right there. In on the top, sort of blend all this out up here, and I also want to go in with the light blue just up here because I just want to balance this out because we want it to look like everything falls in together. I feel like the yellow could be so much brighter, but it's just not cooperating with me. So that this could work. Okay, perfect. Go in. I'm gonna go in the bottom. I'm gonna try to go in with the white. Right here on the bottom. Alright, so I have this highlighting brightener pencil, which is from Thrive, that I got in my, what box did I get this in? I think this is from my FabFitFun box, I think. So I'm gonna use that. I'm looking for my, there we go, found it. And this silver pencil, which I'm gonna put in the waterline. Just to make it pop a whole lot more. So we got that. And then I'm gonna take, okay. So I think we should go back in again with the black. I feel like the black is getting lost in the color. So I'm gonna go back into Spooky again. And we're just gonna darken that area. So and then I'm gonna take eyeliner, black eyeliner, and we're gonna line the top. Gonna put some mascara. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed. I did only one eye for you guys because I feel like sometimes when I do two, it just makes the video super long. So I just did the one, showed you guys how I did that, and then all I did was apply lashes and, you know, mascara, all that other good stuff to finish off the face. But this is the eye look. Came out really nice. This is my flag. I'll put a picture up, well, it's gonna be on the thumbnail anyway, so you guys can see what the flag looks like. But I think it came out really good. I like the blue. It kind of matches, like, to me it matches. You know, when you see things on camera, it kind of looks a little different. But I hope you guys really enjoyed. This is my inspired makeup look. Maybe I'll wear this for Labor Day. This looks really nice. I'm surprised it came out so good. And then I just figured I would pair it with the bandana, which came out looking really nice. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. If you think it came out really nice. I did use the James Charles palette for this, as I mentioned to you guys before. But of course, I'm gonna just say it again for those of you guys who probably didn't hear it in the beginning, but please subscribe to my channel. You know, your girl has a new camera. I don't know if you guys can tell by the quality of this video. I'm hoping that you can, because that's the whole purpose of me getting the new camera. So I'm still trying to really learn it. I didn't realize that cameras were so much work. Like, there's so many features on there that you literally have to, like, take time to learn the camera itself and the functions and how you would want your content to actually look. So hopefully this video looks really good for you guys. But I will also post another video probably tomorrow or so. So by the time you guys see this video, it will probably be Friday. So probably Saturday or Sunday I will post another video for you guys, showing you guys my unboxing of the camera, just so you guys can have an idea of what camera I got if you're interested in that. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. As always, all the products I use will be in the description bar below. You can follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. All that good stuff will be down there as well. And yeah guys, so I hope you guys really enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye guys.